Rust is an open-source, systems programming language that you can use to develop efficient, safe software. With Rust, you can manage memory and control other low-level details. But you can also take advantage of high-level concepts like iteration and interfaces. These features set Rust apart from low-level languages like C and C++. Rust also offers the several advantages that make it a great fit for a wide range of applications. Let's take a look at some of these features. Rust is type-safe. Type-safe means that variables are statically checked for appropriate assignment at compile time. For example, consider a string or an integer. These two different data types cannot be cross-assigned. The compiler assures that no operation will be applied to a variable of a wrong type. Rust is a memory-safe language because it's designed to make it impossible for a program to pull unintended data from a computer's memory accidentally. Rust pointers, known as references, always refer to valid memory. Contrary to other systems languages like C and C++, which happily let you shoot yourself in the foot by design. Concurrency happens whenever different parts of your program might execute at different times or out of order. Rust's borrow checker guarantees thread safety by ensuring that multiple parts of a program can't mutate the same value at the same time. Zero-cost abstractions means adding higher-level programming concepts, like generics, collections, and so on do not come with a runtime cost. Rust allows the use of high-level concepts, like iteration, interfaces, and functional programming, with minimal to no performance costs. The abstractions perform as well as if you wrote the underlying code by hand. Rust has a minimal and optional runtime. The language also has no garbage collector to manage memory efficiently. In this way, Rust is most similar to languages like C and C++. Rust allows for control over the performance and resource consumption of programs and libraries written in the language on par with C and C++, while still being memory safe by default. This level of control eliminates entire classes of common bugs. Rust has rich abstraction features that allow developers to encode many of the invariant of their program into code. The code is then checked by the compiler instead of relying on convention or documentation. This feature can often lead to the feeling, if it compiles, it works. Rust strikes a unique balance among performance, safety, and implementation expressions. No matter what your programming background, you'll likely find Rust has something to offer. In the next video, we will learn how to set up the Rust development environment and write a program.